So, you've identified the waste, you've mapped the process. Now what? Time for Kaizen. This is a Japanese term that translates to continuous improvement. It's all about making small, incremental changes over time to improve efficiency and effectiveness. Kaizen is a philosophy, really. It's about fostering a culture where everyone is empowered to identify problems and suggest solutions. It's not just the manager's job, it's everyone's responsibility to contribute to improvement. Think of it as a team sport. Here are some core Kaizen principles. Small, incremental changes. Focus on making small, manageable improvements rather than trying to overhaul everything at once. Small changes are easier to implement and sustain. Employee involvement. Encourage everyone to participate in identifying and solving problems. The people who work in the process every day often have the best insights. Data-driven decisions. Base improvements on data and facts, not just gut feelings. Measure the impact of changes to ensure they're actually making a difference. Blame-free culture. Focus on improving the process, not blaming individuals. Mistakes are opportunities to learn and improve. Standardization. Once you've made an improvement, standardize it to prevent backsliding. Document the new process and ensure everyone follows it. Kaizen is about creating a positive cycle of continuous improvement, where the organization is constantly learning and adapting. I mean, that's actually pretty cool, don't you think?